Whip. Oh dear. Oof. Go straight in for the ears. Surprised that they don't get more holes in their body.
I know, they're not
Their
scratched
teeth.
at all.
Because they do actually bite. And obviously now and again they hurt each other because they
They've got,
squeal.
yeah, they've got scratches. I mean, they've got the claws on. Right in the face.
It's the way they leap on each other, isn't it? I love that string. It's like the look of you with that camera. Right, you get going, haven't you?
I've got 3 fingers, so it's fine.
Take a